This is a VirtualBox Disk Image. It contains the entire hard drive of a virtual computer. You can use 7-zip to open it and pull out files without booting up the virtual machine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the trick. I call this the last resort solution for those VDI files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A VDI file is a VirtualBox Disk Image, a format used by Oracle's VirtualBox virtualization software. It contains the complete contents of a virtual hard disk, including the operating system, installed applications, and user data. VDI files allow users to create and manage virtual machines on their computers. VDI files are structured to efficiently store and access virtual disk data. They can be dynamically allocated, meaning they grow in size as needed, or fixed size, which pre-allocates the entire disk space. The format supports snapshots, allowing users to revert to previous states of the virtual machine. For full editing functionality, VDI requires Oracle VM VirtualBox, which is supplied by Oracle Corporation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known, safe application for this file. Windows cannot execute or emulate the virtual hardware configuration included in these files. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the VDI file and choose Open With. Prioritize Oracle VM VirtualBox if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If your VDI file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this VDI format is causing you grief. First, use VirtualBox. Open the file using Oracle VM VirtualBox, the required application for the virtual disk. Next, use Storage Manager. In VirtualBox, go to File, Virtual Media Manager, and use the check function to verify the image's integrity. Finally, clone image. If corrupted, use the VBox Manage command line utility's clone HD command to attempt to create a clean copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.